Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create AI generated presentation in the Canva. So first of all, head to this website canva.com, and at the home page, first of all open the first option, which is called YouTube thumbnail. So you can just right click on it or just open it in the next tab. And once you're at this page, so let it load completely, and once it is loaded, just go to the text option, click on text, and you will see an option called Magic Write. So just click on Magic Write. And in this section, you just need to explain your topic, like what on what topic you want to make the presentation. Like let's say I want to make a presentation on YouTube automation benefits and benefits in 2025. Let's say this is my topic. So just enter your topic, click on generate, and it will start generating. It might take a few seconds, so wait for it until it is completed. And now as you can see, once it is completed, so just click on insert, and it will be added into this section in this way. So once it is added, just go back to the Canva and just open this tab, which is called presentation. So just open the presentation in front of, do not close this tab where our text is written. And you can also like try to magic write like benefits of YouTube automation in the form of presentation, so we can better represent our the, as you can see, like this one slide introduction. So now it is giving us in the form of kind of we can say presentation. So let it give, and we will wait. Click on insert. Now as you can see, like this has been added completely. So let me just remove the upper text which we generated above. And once it is removed, now as you can see, like the slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 8, all the options have been added. Just go to the presentation tab, and in the design, just search YouTube automation benefits. So you will see similar templates, either as you can see, like benefits of automation, things like that, or multiple templates. So just choose any of it, whichever you like the most. Let's say I want to go with this one. Click on apply all 10 pages, like whatever the pages are. And once it is added, now as you can see, like the 10 pages are added. So from this option, benefit of automation, so you can change your text benefits of YouTube automation, and just go to this one, introduction. As you can see, like the introduction, welcome, you can just select the text and paste it into this section. Now as you can see, introduction slide is done. The third one is our option is slide 2, increased. Let me just increase the size. So increased efficiency. Choose it, change the title, go back and copy the text, which is basically inside our slide 2. So let's say this is my text. Copy the text, paste it into this section, or whatever the section you want to paste, and you can just remove it if you don't want it into this section, and just complete all the slides. And in that way you can make the AI presentation in the Canva. So make sure to follow this step-by-step process and you will be able to do it. Also make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.